Hi, Crawford here again with another chilled mod. This time we're going for bigger brakes on the T5. We've upped the power over double on this vehicle, so we thought that judder that I get at motorway speeds when I'm braking harshly is probably not the best. So I contacted a guy on eBay and he's supplied me with these great big calipers. They're 2-pot calipers. They're from the T6, and they also came with these bad boys. So these are 340mm, 32.5mm thick, and they weigh a fair bit. So I think first things first, we have to crack the wheel off, see if they fit. So just for ease, we've just done the one side. I've just dropped the caliper off around the other side and just taken off the caliper bracket, and then we're going to see if it all lines up. So here you got the new caliper bracket with the old one. All looks good. Holes line up. We're getting there. Again, we have old discs, new discs. As you can see, a fair bit wider, a bit thicker as well, but the hat height seems about the same. So as you can see, we've got good clearance on the caliper brackets, everything's running smoothly, it's all going on. And there we go, twin pot calipers bolted on, pads in place. I've just got to put it on the flexi, which will go in the factory position. Bolt pattern's right, everything's right. Just going to trial fit my wheels, obviously. Stupid to get this all done and then the wheels don't go over them, but I feel like, yeah, it's a good upgrade. And for, you know, factory price of replacing the standard stuff too.
Later.
Okay, can confirm they fit under the standard 18-inch AMROC whip. Only just, I mean, I'm not sure I'd go 17s because it is tight, but there's no rubbing, which is weird because usually there's rubbing. I always have rubbing. It's a problem child, this one. Right, I'm going to bleed it up and do the other side. I think that's installed. Okay, so one thing I didn't do, I didn't get the pad wear sensors, but to be honest, I'll change the pads more than, I've never worn any set down, so I just did a little loop mod on the plug, just snipped it, couple of bits of heat shield, looped the first one, soldered it up, and then looped the first one round, sealed it all up so water's not going to get in. So they're still kind of doing their job as a pad sensor, but not, if that makes sense. So yeah, we're there. We're bled up this side. We just got to swap the other side and then throw it all back together and go for a test drive. Hopefully it'll feel nice. Second side's on, not too bad. Quick swap over really, because it's all new bits. there you go. Just going to throw the wheels on, then jump in the pool. Sweating like a lunatic here. So hot.
2 hours later.
So once you've got both wheels back on, it's back on the ground. You've bled up the brakes. Don't forget to top up the brake fluid. I take the cap off and just keep an eye on the level, and always top it back up to the max before you go out on the road. You shouldn't need a lot of fluid because they're brand new pads, but it's always best to be safe. Right, got an ABS light on, sadly. I think that's because I had the plugs undone. I've put them back in, so hopefully that'll clear itself. It's gone out already. Ooh, they're very responsive. No horrible noises. Off of private road into the public road, so buckle up for safety. Yeah, it feels good. I'm well impressed with that. So it's a 2022 VW Transporter 6.1. They come with these 340mm brake discs and twin pot calipers. A chap from Tinternet sent me the whole lot that had come off a Transporter that was delivery mileage straight from the dealership to a tuning company who fitted some bigger brakes basically. But to be quite honest, these are pretty big, so I can't see why you'd require them that much bigger. The feel is good, they bled up nice and easy, they're a good quality looking bit of kit, quite heavy, so maybe they just wanted lighter brakes, but so far, it's a big thumbs up from Croft. Thanks for watching. If you want to listen to my drivel in the future, please subscribe to my channel, and give us a comment if you have something constructive to say, or even if you don't, because comments are good. Bye.